sound sounds bad. Let's put this way. Okay. Yeah, put there's a choice.
That car's moving. Go.
It's noisy. And then I like was looking at the sound of it. Just didn't take it sound of it. Yeah, board the yeah, it sounds like it. Also, I'm pretty sure I can go to the stair that fence. That sounds like a funny. Yeah. But there's some more organisms down here at the office building. Because down there, some piles of young females. It's definitely down here. But that was all down here because of this color around the hotel. Until it's 4 floors. Yeah. We're not going in this section, we're not staying in this one. Stay at the homeless we stayed in. That's the hallway. Yeah, we're not gonna go in this one. Yep, that body down there does. That body has the aisles. That's the office building directors. Yeah. Look both ways. So that body has more controllers.
Try to keep your shoes dry. You're not going to be handicapped with wet shoes and wet socks, okay?
Maybe it was waiting at 1 a.m.
You're listening to me.
Yeah.
Try to keep your shoes dry. Here's some wet grass here. Walk carefully so you don't get your shoes so wet.
This building down here has all the other computers. This office building. To that office building.
This is realized.
Yep. That one, this one has more air conditioners. We went here last time, we saw air conditioners here. Yep. We can find this one in here. This video is only 3 minutes right now. Oh no, I was waiting to have during that move. I see some highs up there.
Oh yeah.
Yep. I'm careful those because those are the moves. Yeah, those ones I heard say hi with them. They look like new ones. And they do look pretty new. Also going to see my photos. I don't think they're putting our photos. I'm not sure either. We're going to this building because they have more air conditioners. Last time we were starting to air conditioners on both sides of the building. Softy's house back here. Yep. So if I'm running to see her running. There's a hotel over there. Just stayed in the Home Suites. Yeah. That's some units back here. Back here is air conditioners. There's the air conditioners back here. There's the air conditioners here. Let's go film all of these. Let's film all the air conditioners. Pause up here and look at all of these. Oh. I see some highways over there. I think I see them running. Oh, we got over here. We got high air conditioners here.
Got some highways.
Here's this one right here. It's not running. Gotta go with Western. It's from 2013. Watch 2013 has another high. Not been running. And this one is from 2012, but this other one. This one is from March 2013. That's not been running. There's a high right here that's running. cloud fan, kind of. They're coming off here. This one is from 2012. Get the date off this one. This one is from 2012. It has not been running. Here we got different Iowa here. It has actually been running. Open school weather. 2012, Center Iowa here. Open school, and this one is from 2012. Yeah, but this one not running. It does have a different logo. I saw it. This one actually has no logo on it. Yep. And this one has a logo. And those ones have logos too. See how many there are. 7 of them. 7 hiles. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And only that one right there is running. And up by the more on the other side. And there's some more houses and also some more mini splits. There's even more this way. There's even more this way. There are more air conditioners. This video's already 7 minutes right now. This is probably gonna be a 12-minute video. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, but it's like 9 a.m. now. Yeah, we're filming in the morning. Yeah. Yeah, it's Sunday, August 25th. That's 24. It is not. See, there's not much running. Oh, like this. Some of the 2 numbers. Chalk on the glass. Yeah. And there's a house over there. And then the mini splits. Oh, I got those houses off. The other one's down there. We can get touched this way. There's even more right there. This is just like a highway track, heaven. Obviously, it should be highways, except the ones up there, the hotel, or twin XRs. This video's 28 minutes now, so it's probably gonna be a 12-minute video. Yep. But I'm mostly working getting a day on these units. And I'm going for these bushes. I'm gonna go around here. Okay, so let's pass inside. There are even more over here. Yep, look over there, some more tiles. Hey, this like a kind of a small office complex. Like this. And also some meat was there. They're OGs. Not working this way. Yep. But don't forget this house. I don't know if I need the whispers are running. But on the other side, there was just 1 tile running. Yeah, that's mostly like 70 degrees now, so there's not much I'm running. But that hotel just that was running, and both the days were running, but the one they did, one not sound good. We got some OG race, but it's only double running. This one got some snowy air. It's doing brother. I'm not gonna get on it. Just see us right there. That's already. LG Burger V. Yes, right there on it. And I got 6 tiles. This one has nothing running. Couple of slow compressor. You have to logo. Oh, the office data. It's from 2012. Yeah, it was 4. Here's this other tile that has nothing running. What's the OG school? This one is the older than that 12. Oh, this one 2013. Wow. Take another tile. LG school. October of 2013. It has money. I know it's been running. This one has not. Here's another tile. the school. This from March, which has two open Sundays, and of course it's closed. Now I can focus on lectures in Ohio. It's an LG school. December of 2016. It has been running actually. It's in Ohio, it's a bigger one. It has not been running. LG school. December 2014. Yeah, but this one has been running. It might turn on in a second. This is gonna be set. I was turning it up. And these houses are pretty close. No difference in house.
Say logo.
Yep, this is pretty close. Yep, this one, yeah, it has been running. It was about to get a bit of running soon, but since